In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon code in Wix. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Wix dashboard and that your site has Wix stores enabled. From the dashboard, open your site's store area and head to the catalog section in the left-hand menu. This is where you manage products and price-related tools for your shop. Inside catalog, click on discounts to open your store's discount manager. Here, you'll see any existing promotions and the option to add a new one. Go ahead and select New Coupon to start setting up a fresh coupon. You'll be asked to choose a coupon type. Discount applies a price reduction, either as a percentage or a fixed amount. Free shipping removes shipping charges within the rules you set. Sale price converts the promotion into a straightforward sale price. Buy X, get Y. Lets you reward customers with a free or discounted item when they purchase a qualifying product. Pick the option that best matches your goal. For most general promos, discount is a great place to start. Next, type the coupon code customers will enter at checkout. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to type, something like SAVE20. Avoid spaces and special characters, and make sure it doesn't duplicate an existing code. Add a coupon name as well. This is your internal label for tracking and reporting, so choose something descriptive that helps you recognize the campaign later, like Spring Launch 20% off. Enter the discount amount based on the type you selected. If it's a percentage, set the percent value. If it's a fixed amount, enter the exact currency amount you want to take off. Double check that this aligns with your pricing strategy. Under Apply To, decide where the coupon works. You can apply it to all products, a specific category, or a specific product. For this example, choose Specific Product, then select the exact item from your product list. This is ideal for promoting a featured product without discounting your entire catalog. Set the valid between dates to control when the coupon starts and ends. Choose a clear start date and, if needed, an end date to automatically stop the promotion. Consider your store's time zone so the coupon activates and expires when you expect. If you want more control, enable limit the total number of uses for this coupon and enter a cap. This is great for scarcity-driven campaigns. You can also toggle limit to one use per customer to prevent repeat redemptions by the same shopper. When everything looks good, click Create Coupon. Your new code is now active according to the schedule you set. For best results, test it in a preview order and share the code in your site banner, email, or social posts to drive traffic.